All right, ladies and gentlemen, our next contest scheduled for 3 rounds of fighting at 82 kilograms. Please welcome your first fighter to the blue corner. Here comes Bartosz Franik. Please welcome his opponent to the red corner. Here comes Martyn. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. 3 rounds of K1 fighting at 82 kilograms. Introducing to you first, fighting out of the blue corner, standing 5 feet 11 inches tall, he weighed in at 82.3 kilograms. Representing Warriors Gym, here is Bartosz Franik. And his opponent, fighting out of the red corner. He stands 6 feet tall, his official weight 81.8 kilograms. Fighting out of Renegade Gym, make some noise for Martyn. And when the action begins, your referee in charge, third man in the ring is Paul Nichols.
So we have a super fight series, so we have another super fight. Bartosz Franik from the Warrior Fight Club in the blue corner against Martyn Flood from the Renegade Gym. And Ant Ferguson, his coach, featured in the fight of the night at Super Fight Series 2. An incredible fighter, now looking to promote his own gym in his own image. And these two men have wasted no time, toe-to-toe, throwing heavy shots. Franik standing and trading with Flood, who's brought good support here. And both men have thrown heavy shots indeed early in this round. No feeling out process here. And they go once more. Good stiff left from Flood. The right kick checked. Left-right combination with the hands coming through again. Right kick once more. Franik looking to respond each time Flood comes forward. Ant Ferguson saying to him, you've got to get that right knee off when you're in close. It's got to be immediate. K1, get in there, throw the knee, get back out. Left and right from Flood. Both men look to kick. Left from Flood once more. Left and right coming from Flood. Low right kick, right hand reply from Franik. The right roundhouse missed, but his right hand clipped at the top of Flood's head. Right kick to the lead leg, doubles it up on Franik. Franik looks for left and right punch combination in reply. Flood just too slow for the knee there to land. Comes forward once again, this time looks for the knee to the midsection. Franik looks for the uppercut response. Flood looking to push forward again. This time the low kick was checked. As Franik pushes forward, he has to eat a right hand, but throws a good right hook of his own there and a nice right to the body. Good work from the blue corner here, and a low kick. Franik now the one pushing forward. Chopping low kick in response from Flood, as Franik looks to keep him there. Landing cleanly as well. Flood responds, looks for the knee. Both men have had their opportunities here in the opener. It's been a hard round for both. Both have taken heavy shots as well. And every time Flood pushes forward, Franik responds. Cracking back once more. Here at Infamous Super Fight Series 3. Last 10 of a very tough opening round. Left to the body, right to the head from Franik. Left knee from Flood, but Franik has come on strong towards the end of this opening round. I had Flood doing really well early, but Franik coming on very strong from the midway point. Interesting to see how the judges score this one. Round 2 of 3. Left-right combination from Franik. Ending the round as he started. Flood looks to match him early here in the second. Both men freely throwing the combinations. Flood looking to push forward now. Takes a jab from Franik. Low right kick. Looks to push him back. Good right to the body from Franik. Kick exchange to the lead leg from both men. Hard and hurtful. Stiff jab this time from Flood. Tries to get up ahead of steam. Nose is bleeding now. Flood. Both men having success with heavy punches. Flood slips when he looks for the jumping knee. Franik clips him with the right hand once more. Flood, perfect timing as Franik came in, takes his man just off his feet with the low kick, does so again. Good work from the red corner. Overhand bolo punch, the right from Franik. A lot of energy expended from both these men. Big right hand doubled up by Franik, gets Flood's attention. Takes the low kick to stay there and keep throwing the right hand. Then doubles it to the body. Flood push back as another big right-left combination comes in from Franik. Hurtful again, clips him with the left and the right this time, Franik. Flood looks to respond but has to take another right. Franik left to the body, right to the head. Left to the head this time. Landing again as Flood comes forward. Chops at the legs this time. Then the high left leg lands to the side of Flood's head. Big finish from Franik to this second round. Big right to the body from Franik as well. The jab lands cleanly once more. Flood, to his credit, looks to push forward. Franik having none of it. The jab pushes out again. The low kick straight afterwards. Catches Flood on the way in once more. Then the big right hand. Right to the body, doubles it up to the head. Axe kick as well. Flood smiles. What a competitor. Franik with the right hand once more. Then bashes the body and head once again. What a chin Flood's got here. But the second round has belonged to the blue corner and Bartosz Franik. Big knee as well, and the blood flies once more as Franik is starting to dismantle Flood Another big knee right hand. Paul Nicholls looking very closely now. And he's going to get the count right at the bell. Well, he's not going to get the count, it's right at the bell, but what a huge finish from Bartosz Franik. So they touch gloves for the third and final round. What has Martyn Flood got left? As Bartosz Franik had a 20-second barrage there at the end of round 2. All credit to Flood, who's still there. Spinning kick this time from Franik, and the left hand as Flood comes in. He's caught Flood consistently on the way in and then done his own work, as he did there again with such a stiff jab, then the right hand over the top. And Franik pushes forward once more. Flood checks it this time. The left round kick. And as Flood comes forward, he has to take that left hand once more. Looks for the big knee of his own, almost landed, and then Franik comes back at him once more. Is there a sting in the tail of this one? As Flood looks to come forward, he takes a chopping low kick. Franik throwing the left and rights again. Flood breathes deeply, takes the left leg to the head. Both men throw the low kick. Flood looks to come forward and work the body. Franik throws the straight right, doesn't even set it up. Bolo right lands as well. Chops to the leg of Flood, who's breathing deeply now. Flood looks for his own right hand. Franik pushing forward, both men very tired. Both land a right hand. Spinning back fist from Franik, and Flood looks to do the same, but Franik is just too close. And he ducks under the next one. Flood smiles still. Looks to get up once more. And both men land again with the jabs. They'll be so glad to hear this third and final round bell go, because this has been an absolute war between these two men. And Franik pushes forward once again, backing Flood up. What a warrior though, from the Renegade Gym. And Franik a big finish once more as he pushes forward, backing Flood up again. Works the right to the body this time. The right leg as well. Both men fighting on sheer adrenaline, guts and courage now. And the big right hand from Franik. Pushed away this time by Flood. And again, the right hand comes over the top with just 10 seconds to go, and Flood is under pressure once more. And Franik straight back in. It's a big win for the man in the blue corner, but what a bout that was between these two warriors. There's no doubt about the winner though, Bartosz Franik, but what a warrior in Martyn Flood.
fighting, our judges score this bout for your winner by unanimous decision, fighting out of the blue corner, Bartosz!